Viveno, welcome back to you all. Here is Unam Prajapati from Krishna Magical Healing, and today I will give you a free zodiac reading for this week. Be with us, and for those who are new to this channel, please hit a subscribe button, give a like, and put a sweet kind comment below. That will motivate you. So we will meet soon. Viveno. Hello everyone. Jainam Prajapati from Krishna Magical Healing, and this is your free zodiac reading for this week. So I welcome you all for free zodiac reading. Right, this is the better one. Okay, so I welcome you all for free zodiac reading. Before starting zodiac reading, first I want to give some of the informations or some of the announcement what I want to make. So let's start with the announcement, and then we'll go further. Then we'll go further with your free zodiac reading of this week. So first, most important announcement is this Thursday we are bringing our abundance weekly community service. So those who are interested, they can book their place. Only 10 slots are given, from which 7 are booked. Some 3 slots are remaining to book. So you can book your slots for wealth abundance spell, where I will be taking this on Thursday for weekly community service for wealth this time. Then second important thing is there is an important thing that the Yamaya workshop the Yamaya workshop was starting today. I'm so sorry for my grammatical mistakes, bear with it. Okay, so that has been postponed and that has been cancelled right now. I have given all the money back who has transferred me. So due to some of the my schedule is very tight to 2 weeks, so I cannot manage how I can take the workshop. So I have given all the money back to them, and I will start after 2 weeks. Okay, so those who are interested, they can pre-order or pre-book their seats. Okay, because I have said five people have already booked their seats. Only 2 people are remaining for the workshop. So if you want to just enroll, go for it, baby, because this time is I'm taking only 7 students. Some of the people were asking me why you are taking 7 students, or why your charges are higher than other one. So listen, the main reason why my charges for the workshop, my charges for my products, everything is higher, because I give you my energies. I give all my energies. I teach you, not from the books, or not from the internet, not from the YouTube or etc stuff on the internet, but I take all this from my mentor. What she taught me, I am teaching you directly to you, so you can understand how you will get the 100% authentic things, and a proper way to learn it. Okay, because this is not like that burn a purple candle, burn a yellow candle, potato and tomato you put there, and your wish will be fulfilled. No, baby, it's not like that. It will have a very different way of thinking, a different way of working, and the ashe will be very different. Okay, so if you want to enroll for the Yamaya workshop, just go for it. Okay, this week I am bringing one candle which I have not launched yet, but I will be launching in the near time. I am working on it. This is the horseshoe candle. Let me just This is the horseshoe candle. This horseshoe candle, what does the horseshoe candle does? A beautiful smell is coming from my candles because I work on with the oils on herbs applying on it. So this horseshoe candle is very great for gambling luck, for having fulfilling your wish, for having protection as well, for getting the luck, optimism so sorry, and different things regarding luck and fulfilling your wish. This candle is the base, as I have taken the results from this candle and I'm taking more result. See, each and every candles I take result first and then I sell, then I give to my students or my clients. So this is the candle. If you want to have it, you can pre-order that also. Okay, now moving further with the today's free zodiac reading. So before that, I want to share one intention what I share on my broadcast list. If you want, before that, after this Instagram live, this will be on this recording will be on YouTube. So for that, members, just hit the subscribe button. If you like this free zodiac reading, just give a thumbs up. And the second thing, put a sweet kind comment below, so that whenever it give me motivation to bring more and more such type of free zodiac readings to you all. Okay, so let's start with the free zodiac reading for this week. And before that, I want to share one intention that you can also chant every day, that I am ambitious. I put my goals and ideas into action. I take a leap of faith and I believe in myself. When I put my heart desire into action, it's for the good of all those involved. I am ambitious. Ashe. So that was this week intention what I shared today to my broadcast member. If you want to add on my broadcast, you can note it down my number, +91 635 2711 so you can be added on my WhatsApp group or WhatsApp, and I will add you in my broadcasting, so you will get a daily updates from me as in tips and tricks and all. Okay, so let's start with the zodiac reading. This week's zodiac reading, I'll take the guidance from my new deck, which is the wisdom of Avalon oracle cards. Okay, so here are cards, beautiful cards. So let me start it. Okay, okay, so I'll start from Aquarius and end to the Capricorn. So starting from Aquarius, so for the Aquarius, this week is the mystery. The card has been came is the mystery for you. So this week will be great for you. It will be mysterious. Every new expects will be coming in front of you. That will be has a mystery for you. You cannot understand what is going on, but try to understand it, get a clear path from it, and whatever is going to happen this week, that is the blessings that you are receiving from direct from the high spirits, god, goddesses, or orishas, whatever you pray, that is getting to you directly from them. So have a great day. Pray and give the gratitude to your ancestors, your god, goddesses, guardian angels, or orishas, or whatever you pray with. Okay, the next is for Pisces. So Pisces, the grill king, the grill knight. So it's for romance, illusion, seeking the sacred. The messenger of Avalon is saying to you. So this week you should do whatever you love, whatever you like. The change is coming in your life. This week will be a very smooth week for you. It will go very smoothly, but take care. One thing, that you should keep your mouth shut and listen to everyone. As I have said last week, follow this week also. Keep your mouth shut and see what is going on, observe that, and then take an action. Okay, this week is great for you, a very smooth week, not like last week. This week is very smooth, but take care of the persons surrounding you, that they don't mess with you and you don't mess with them. Okay, now the Aries, for the Aries, the novices, so emotions, beginners, ignorance, new skill without practice, unable curiosity, it is showing to you. So this is the time for you, for the Aries. This is the time, it's the beginning for you. It's the beginner, or you are planning to start some new work. This new work you are going to start, but you have not experienced. So first focus on that, work on that perfectly, and then go on further. You will get your work done. But whatever you are planning to start new, just start it, Aries. Okay, this week is for you. Then but there is one more warning here. In starting, when you start, some problems such as obstacles will be there for you. So burn an orange candle before starting a new thing, and that will be great for you. Okay, then we have a Taurus. So for the Taurus, the truth card has been came. So for the Taurus, please don't speak lie or false to anyone. If you try to speak lie or false to anyone, that will make you in a trouble. So speak truth or don't speak. Okay, and always remember, whatever you want, that has been given by the God to you, just you have to listen, you have to see, ask the guidance from your goddesses, and you will get the guidance. They are ready to give you, but you are not ready to take it. So take that. And second thing, speak truth this whole week. This week will be great for you. If you speak false, you will be great trouble. So be mindful of that. Okay, then for Leo, a beautiful card has been came, the Lady of the Lake. Absolute truth, courage, self-respect and responsibility is coming on your way. This card is a very beautiful. Just focus on the main goal. Whatever you desire, focus on that, not on other things. Again, I'm speaking, focus what you desire, not other than. And one more thing, make sure that you meet the people whom the time is good. You invest your time, because your time is more important than anything else this week. So if it is a president or anyone else, but if you think it's not worthy for your time, don't give that time to you. Give yourself importance, give yourself self-respect, and work on this week. Okay, then we have Virgo. So for Virgo, the Bard. So for Virgo, this week is great. This week is for music, poetry, myth, or it's a beautiful week. Just enjoy yourself, nothing more than that. Give yourself more importance, first thing. And second thing, that have some fun with your friends, or have some fun with other buddies or anything, but have fun this week. And one more important thing is that you should give gratitude to your ancestors or to your goddesses. Okay, give gratitude to each and everyone whom you have faith. Just give gratitude to them, and your week will be great. Okay, then we will have our Libra. So for Libra, the eagle has been came. Beautiful card. Eagle is also beautiful spirit. So focus, nothing else. Focus. Have a sharp view on your target, and just focus on your target. Go whatever you want to do for your target to achieve, do that. Okay, so the spirit integrating connection to the angelic realm is this week for you. So connect with your Ashe, your ancestors this week. One more tip I will give you, that just burn a yellow candle and ask for the focus or guidance, so your week will be great. Okay, start doing that, you will get a great achievement. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for you also for joining here. Then for Scorpio, birth and rebirth. So when this card came, it's not that someone is going to death or something less, but it means that new opportunity is coming and something bad is going to end for you. So the simple thing is, just start with new thing. If you're starting with new things, or if specifically in relationship, it might your relationship can be end, but a new happiness or new thing will become to you. Both simultaneously will come to you this week. Just focus, just receive the blessings, because the blessings are on the way. Just receive it and say, ancestor, yeah ancestor, I'm hearing you very loudly, just give me the answers. Okay, so just go through it. Scorpio, the week is great for you. Then we have Sagittarius. Sagittarius, the card has been came is forgiveness. Okay, so forgive each and everyone wherever you are. Just forgive them. Though this week you will receive a lots of people surrounding you that will make you guilt or something bad to you. Just forgive them and go on working. Okay, forgiveness is the key word for this week, for getting the week good. If you will fight on it, you will get in stress or depression or anything else. Such things is going on here, but just work on it and go in a greenery area. Go in, have a week, a holiday, go to the greenery and receive the blessings from the roots or goddess Gaia or the mother earth. Okay, the last but not least, Capricorn. So for the Capricorn, this week the card has been came is the fear. So for Capricorn, this week you should overcome your fear. Then and then you will receive what you want. Fear is a big deal for this week. Just overcome your fear and you will see whatever you want, you are achieving that. Whatever you think that it is not good due to your fear, that's wrong for you. Just think that this is good and I can do it. You will get on a right path and you will get the success in it. Okay, so these were the 12 zodiac sign for this week. Thank you so much for joining here. I thank each and everyone, and receive the just pre-order the whatever I have given to you information. Pre-order the candles and workshops or whatever and the services. I will more than happy to that. And if you are looking for a free zodiac reading, I will coming next week for you all for free zodiac reading if possible. And if you want a personal private reading, just contact me on WhatsApp. I will back to you in the 2 to 3 days to you. Thank you so much for connecting with me. Ashe, 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 mercy. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.